Mojo pin 12. Well, this is pretty much the third day without power in this storm. I know you can't see me because I'm walking to my truck right now. This storm was worse than Irene, and they're saying that I might not have power until like Thursday. Ugh. And it's pretty bad. It's pretty bad. Let's try to get some light in here. There we go. Hi. Apparently there's been a lot more fiber damage than the last storm. I think this is going to become the norm. I'll tell you right now, the heater that I bought over the summer and the lantern has proved to be just a great thing. Sorry. Sorry guys. I gotta, hold on. Ugh. There we go. My finger was caught. And it's what I learned from Irene when that hit. So that's the good thing. I mean, on these instances when you know a big storm is coming, and if you do have the opportunity of losing power, you get to kind of experiment and work with the things that you have. Once again, I have the tier system working with the cooler, and it's quite chilly out. I don't even know what the temp is right now, but it's been really cold. Because I have to go to work, I have to shut down the kerosene heater, which sucks. That means I'm going to have to come home to a freezing cold house. And it's not going to warm up that quick with the heater, so I'm going to have to try to figure out what would be a way to heat the house even quicker. Maybe I should get some more kerosene heaters to do an initial heating. I don't know. Well, it sucks that I won't be seeing power probably for another couple days, and I apologize. I'm probably not going to be able to launch my video on Wednesday like I scheduled, but who knows. And that's the little buddy of the day, which I bought this summer, so it's paid itself off, and right now, here we go. We're going to see if it works. It's the first time I ever used the Coleman coffee maker. So I'll let you know how it came out. This is good for the coffee fanatics out there. Oh man, I look like crap. I just rolled out of bed, and the only crappy thing was I don't want to leave the kerosene heater on, so when I go to work I gotta shut it off, and so I have to slowly heat up the house. So maybe it might even be a good idea to get another kerosene heater for a redundancy thing and for a quick warm-up. But then again, you're running the risks of carbon monoxide, so that's probably not a good idea. But I don't know. I'm mulling things over. I still haven't touched my wood brick fuel, which I don't want to. I want to hold off before using that as long as I can. So that's where I'm at, and hopefully I'll be able to post and put videos on soon. So I guess this is aftermath nor'easter. Alright, later guys. Oh yeah, it's working good. I think this is going to be one of my prized prepping picks. Oh yeah, look at that. Black gold, baby. Black gold right there. Oh, I can't wait. So far, so good. Hey there, YouTubers. Well, I couldn't do my regular release for Wednesday, so hopefully today I'll get power. But I'm doing alright. You know, I actually broke out the wood brick fuel, so that's going. And this is actually, I have the damper all the way down. That's the damper right there. I have the damper all the way down, and that's the type of flame that the wood brick fuel creates. And this will last anywhere between this will probably go, not at this intensity, but still with a huge amount of heat. This will go for about seven hours. So awesome product. I love it. Love wood brick fuel. And our temperature is now 77 degrees. As a kid, we used to have kerosene heaters, but you know, I haven't really. My dad usually took care of it, so I'm kind of relearning. I mean, I knew how to use them, kind of, so I'm kind of relearning, and I'm actually doing quite well. One thing I've learned is baby wipes. Baby wipes are key. I mean, a camping store, they sell these like clean wipes, but they're actually like a small packet, and really, and they're more expensive when you consider the quantity that you're getting compared to if you get like a baby wipes wipes container. Excuse me, blah. But it's the same thing as baby wipes, so buy baby wipes, and that helps. And I actually feel fine. I mean, it's kind of awkward bathing with baby wipes, but I feel fine. I don't stink. Took a sick day. I was just worn out and tired from all the work that we've been doing, so I had to take a day. So I've been working this whole time, and you know, I'm not stinking. No one's told me. I mean, I had a coworker, and this is, you know, he had a shower and everything, so I don't know what the heck he was doing, but that guy, he would be able to knock a rooster off a barn with his smell. I mean, he was pretty brutal. So, and I don't even, you know, I'm doing pretty well, and that guy had a full shower and faculty, so whatever the heck he was doing obviously wasn't the way to go. And that's the only thing. That's the thing that's annoying, is having to have to go to work every day, and you end up getting dirty, and you end up, you know, so then you have to really clean up when you get home. And if we were in a raw situation, you'd be able to hovel in your house, and you can kind of avoid those type of scenarios as much as possible. Of course, when you're gathering firewood and doing work around the area of your home, I'm sure you can work up a sweat and some dirt, but you can kind of control it. It's in your own realm of control, so to speak. But anyway, I'm doing good. I'd like to be able to post my videos eventually, and get back to what, you know, doing my stuff online that I do outside of YouTube. And but you know, this is training ground, folks. This is the training ground, because I have a feeling we're going to be seeing a lot more, and I won't even be surprised if we go into a scenario where we're going to see months like this. And we're going to be prepared, aren't we? Aren't we, everybody? Yes, we will be. Alright, thanks guys. Thanks for watching, and signing out.